Hey guys, if you're launching your first Wix website, setting up SEO can feel overwhelming. But Wix beginner tutorial make the process simple if you follow the right step. And here's a clear step-by-step SEO setup that you can use right now. Step 1 is launching the Wix SEO setup checklist. From your Wix dashboard, go to Marketing under Tools and choose SEO Setup Checklist. Now, it will instantly give you all the steps that you'll have to take to make sure that your SEO gets better. You can also choose Get Found on Google and start the SEO setup checklist. So this is basically Wix built-in guide that helps you add pages, title, description, keywords for each section of your site. Now, you can also click on the SEO Learning Hub link that will be just right here, and it will take you to the page where you can see the Wix SEO Learning Hub is just right here. Now, you can scroll down and see all the information available on this page. You can learn from this, and they also have some guides that you can see and look into. Now, step 2 is adding SEO friendly page titles and descriptions. So click on menu and pages, navigate to SEO basics for each page, write unique titles that include your target keywords, and keep titles under 60 characters and meta descriptions under 160 characters to make sure they display well in Google search. Now, step 3 is customizing URLs and header tags. Under menu and pages, navigate to page SEO and clean up your URLs to make them short and keyword friendly. Also, structure your page content using H1 for the main title and H2 for section headings. This helps Google understand your page layout. Step 4 is connecting to Google Search Console. So, navigate to Marketing, navigate to SEO by clicking on Optimize your site, choose SEO tools and choose site verification. Now, follow Wix easy steps to connect your site to Google Search Console. Once connected, submit your sitemap so Google can index your site and start ranking your pages. Step 5 is adding alt text and internal links. So you'll have to basically click on your images and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and image SEO. Also, link your pages and blog posts together naturally. Internal linking helps Google crawl your site more effectively and can improve rankings. Now, final verdict, Wix makes SEO beginner friendly if you follow these steps carefully. The SEO checklist, clean URLs, optimized titles, and internal links will give your site a solid start on Google. With regular updates, your rankings can steadily grow. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.